Welcome to Gadget EDC. Super excited to be here for the first time, first video. Um, got super motivated by watching a bunch of videos on YouTube about knives and backpacks and you name it. Now I'm into the fidget toy rabbit hole, as you can see here. My wife got this for me for Christmas. This is the finger dumbbell, so pumped up about, hey, let's get into this video. Let's open this thing up and understand why the rabbit hole is so deep. So I'll see you there. Okay, we're back. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll switch between some views here. Look, I'm an amateur at this, but over time we'll get a lot better. But for now, Gadget EDC CEO working the controls here. So super cool packaging. Got the yellow kind of like corkscrew deal going on. You twist it out and boom, the magic starts to begin. So we've got a felt bag here. Really liking this. Super smooth. Can't tell what it says on here. Zodorn. And then we've got some Chinese lettering here on the bottom. I don't know if I can get a decent zoom in there. But yeah, pretty cool. We'll pull this out and let me switch a view here for you. But we've got, some packaging here, these rubber bands. You can tell I've already played with it, so I added the green here. 2025 is like about the green for me. So green ring, green band, watch band, and then green action here. So yeah, the first thing I noticed with this bad boy was really the weight. It's got decent weight to it. I'm not like the other YouTubers just yet. I don't have the scale on deck and show you how much it weighs, but man, you really kind of feel this. Like, okay, yeah, the dumbbell action, and it's called finger dumbbell. So, like do some exercise, right? But of course, the first thing I noticed with it was the actual spinner action. So we'll pop back over here. But yeah, that was the first thing I did. And boom, that thing is going, right? And even cooler was, sitting at the table with the family last night. And it's a hard surface. You can't really hear it. But there's a different sound that comes from this thing if you put it on a hard surface. So I've kind of got the matte thing going on my desk. But had it been like a really solid surface, it definitely would have had a different sound to it. No, super cool. And then, after I was just done staring at this thing for I don't know how many minutes it kept spinning, I'll go ahead and stop it. There's also the other side where you can kind of push it in, and let me get over to the microphone here so you can hear. Really cool sound, man. So yeah, if you're just the person that needs to mess with something and needs that fidgety thing going on, this is your jam right here. So really enjoy working with this. Fidget Toy number 1 for video number 1. You can get this on Amazon.com. I can leave a link there. There's also fablades. I have that up on my screen now for $32.95. So you can get into like the high-end fidget toy game for cheap with this bad boy. Because look, you'll go on that website and you'll see some stuff on there, thousands of dollars. And I'm like, yo, your boy here at Gadget EDC ain't going for that unless y'all send it to me, right? But no, super cool. Definitely, I've gone all the way down the rabbit hole with fidget toys. So pumped up about this, pumped up about my first video on YouTube. So check me out, like, subscribe, and let's keep looking at stuff over time. All right, talk to you guys soon. Peace.